Hello, in this video we're going to examine the DATEDIF function, which allows us to find the number of days or months or years between two specific dates. There are two ways to find the difference between two different dates. We can use the DATEDIF function, which tells us the exact number of days, full number of months, and full number of years since earliest date to the latest date. Or we can use the arithmetic method, which is a much longer process and it involves subtracting the smaller from the bigger date. So without further ado, using the dated if method, equals dated if, open parentheses, earliest date, comma, latest date, quotation marks D for days. Same thing for months. Dated if, earliest, latest, M for month, close parentheses, and same process, if, earliest, latest, open parentheses, open quotations, and year, close parentheses. So there has been 12,610 days since 1987 to 21st of December 2021. 414 full months and 34 full years. Using the arithmetic formula, we can also get pretty close to it. So equals latest date minus earliest date. It should provide us the exact same result, which it has. On the number of months, we would need to take the total number of days and divide that by either 365 times 12, or roughly, we can assume there's 30 days in a month, and it gives us about 420 months. So this is rounded. And then we can take the value for the months and divide that by 12 months in a year. So the values are slightly different. With the DATEDIF function, it tells us that there's 34 full years since 1987 to this date.